sa dami nagkakasakit ngayon, dapat in-increase nila yung budget na yan to 300 billion nga kasi yung gap eh. Dapat hindi kinuha eh. And therefore, may accountability sila. Hindi porke na isoli mo na yung pera, eh, ibig sabihin, exonerated na ho kayo. Hindi ho yun eh. In the first place, dapat nagbubunyi sila. Sinoli na namin ng pera during a press release of President Marcos and Recto. In the first place, hindi kayo dapat natuwa. Did you ever think na dapat hindi nyo nga ginawa eh. Tapos nung sinosoli, kayo pa nagbubunyi. So what was the thinking process before? And then ngayon, after the Supreme Court decided, nagbubunyi kayo na you're returning it the money? What kind of thinking process is that? You're trying to be your in jubilation and enjoy when in the first place you created that huge mess of defunding the PhilHealth. 'Di ba? Parang niloloko naman tayo masyado nun. Natuto, oh, ito na yung pera, sinoli na namin. In the first place, dapat hindi nyo nga kinuha eh. Ganun na lang ba yun?